Hello everyone, welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the recent notifications from the NIT Rourkela about PhD admission. This will be for the year 2021. So in this video we are going to discuss all the details about this notification. Please subscribe our channel so that you will get all the latest notifications for our future videos, and please press the bell icon so that you will get the notification, and also share this video and like this video if you like this. So let us see the notification first. As you can see, we are into the official website of the NIT Rourkela. So there you can check the notification is for the PhD program for the autumn semester, that is 2021 and 2022. So applications are invited online from the eligible candidates for the admission of PhD program for the institute for the July 2021 semester for the academic year 2021 and 2022. The admissions will be given preferably to the applicants who are eligible for the institute fellowship or have qualified an external fellowship. However, admission may also be considered without fellowship. Students with an external fellowship like JRF, NET are especially encouraged to apply. So, if you have an external fellowship or without external fellowship, you can apply the PhD program. So let us see what are the different name of the departments under which the PhD programs are offered. As you can see the number of topics, there are 20 number of topics for which the PhD program is being offered. You can check all the details of the PhD program. Like here you can see the biotechnology and medical engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, ceramic engineering. So all the details topics you can see. So there the codes are given, and there the inductive board area of research available. So you can check your details here. So let us see what are the other details. So what will be the eligibility criteria for the PhD program? The minimum qualification required for the admission into the PhD program in engineering, science, planning and architecture management and humanities social science is one of the following. That is ME, MTech, MSc engineering, MPharm, M architecture. So like this, in relevant disciplines with at least 6.5 CGPA or 60% mark, or first class both in BE, BTech or BSc engineering, MSc, BPharm or an equivalent degree, it is required from a recognized technical institute or university. The BE, BTech or an equivalent relevant discipline with CGPA 7.0 or 65 mark is required. So like this you can check the eligibility. Alright, for applicants with a valid GATE, NET and GPAT or equivalent score required may be relaxed by maximum of 0.5 CGPA or 5%. MBBS, BBSc with CGPA of 6.5 or 60% mark or first class. So like this you can check the eligibility criteria. Further, candidates having the qualification can apply for the PhD management and humanities social science. So there you can check the eligibility. In addition to that, in the above eligibility criteria based on BTech, B architecture, MSc, MB or MA, MCom, MTech, M architecture, like this, the following additional criteria will be applicable. Alright, so candidates having a score of minimum 6.5 CGPA or 60% mark or first class throughout the career will be eligible into the PhD program. So you need to have a first class career throughout your career are eligible to admission for the PhD. The Departmental Research Committee DRC, however, may make exceptional marks less than 60% or CGPA less than 6.5 At his dissertation, only among the result of plus 2, 10 plus 10th plus 2 BA, BSc, become diploma, etc. Except qualifying degree if the candidate has qualified GATE, NET, GPAT or any national or level fellowship test like DST Inspire or joined as a JRF or SRF in any research project. So candidates will be, so the DRC, that is the Departmental Research Committee, may take the exception mark which is less than 60% or less than 6.5 if you have a valid GATE, NET or GPAT or the fellowship like DST Inspire or joined in SRF or JRF or SRF research project. Alright, so like this, all the details are given here. You can go and check it. So for the thesis based postgraduate degree, that is MTech research, MS or equivalent, a student is permitted to submit his final result within 1 year from the date of submission. However, one documentary evidence proof of thesis submission from the candidate's institute university is required to be submitted at the time of submission, at the time of admission. Okay, so for all the courses based degrees like BTech, B Architecture, MBA or MTech, results need to be published before admission is granted. Alright, so submission of qualifying degree results may be permitted till 30th September 2021 but not beyond. So here are the other qualifying or primary disciplines of admissions are mentioned. You can go through it. Let us see the fellowship part. So institute fellowships are available to the PhD students of all the departments. Prevailing rate of fellowship is given in the following table. PhD, duration of first and second year, will get the fellowship of 31,000 per month, and from the third year onwards, that is third, fourth and fifth year, you will get the 35,000 per month. Alright. However, fellowship is not allowed to the candidates above 32 years of age or for PhD or 35 years for SC/ST and women candidates or at least one child. Alright. On the closing date of receipt application, the restrictions shall not be apply fellowship awarded to the external agency or sponsored projects. Some important notes are here. If a student or institute fellowship or project fellowship leaves the institute in the mid-session of its own accord without completing the project or program, the entire amount paid to him towards fellowship need to be returned by the student before leaving the institute. She will not receive any certificate from the institute unless until she refund the fellowship in full. Student with project fellowship may not be required to refund any sponsors rule permit him leaving the project without refunding the fellowship. So there will be a fee structure for the PhD admission program. So with the fee structure will be like this: on total of 56,000 and 49,000 for the SC/ST. 56,000 is for the general category and 49,000 is for the reserve category or SC/ST category. The above fee is only for the first semester. Remaining semester is approximately the fee will be 44,000 per semester and 36,000 per SC/ST, which is inclusive of mess dues. Alright, so this is the first year fees, and from the next semester you need to pay approximately 44,000 if you are into the general category. Alright, so how the applications will go on? Interested candidates satisfying the eligibility criteria may submit the online applications on this link. The applicants are advised So read the advertisement and the instructions. Fill up online applications in the given online portal carefully. So there will be an application fee of 500 through SBI Collect only. Applicants not to required to send in a hard copy of the application form or any other documents to NIT Rourkela. However, who will be called for the interview will required to submit the signed copy of the application form, a set of photocopies of all certificates and original sponsored certificates at the time of interview. So you need not to submit any hard copy, but during the interview you need to submit the hard copies. They need also to produce the original certificate from HSC onwards for the verification. So the tentative schedule will be, the application form will be available in the institute website from 17th June 2021 to 7th July 2021. So the publication dates you can check. Test of the interview will be on 22nd July. Publication of results will be 27th July, and starting of classes will be 10th August. Alright, the list of candidates will be displayed in the institute website like www.nitrkl.ac.in. Here is the official website, you can check this. And no postal information will be sent to the selected candidates. The candidates are required to visit the announcement section of the homepage of the institute website regularly for any future updates. So this is all about the notification that has come out for the PhD program for the autumn semester from the NIT Rourkela. So you can check the details. I'll put this link into the description. You can go and visit this link. And please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications like this for the PhD admissions in different reputed institutes in India and abroad. And please do not forget to join our Telegram channel so that you will get all the latest informations and notifications in your mobile. The link is in the description. Please join our Telegram channel and also like and share other social media channels in our description page. So please visit the description of this video so that you will get all the latest notifications and the links to follow the social media and link to see this notification. And you can visit our other videos related to different universities in India related to PhD and other courses. So we have made several good videos so that you will get all the related information. So thank you for watching this video.